just to do one thing, just for one thing, babies. That's to eat at Tobe Snack Center, and I'm here to eat my favorite corn bhajiyas, guys. It's too tasty, and that's why I've come to Lonavala just for that. So just imagine what a bhukkada I am. ये क्या है भैया?
मैं मसाला है, ये आपको भी देंगे। अभी चटनी है।
ओके, चटनी।
बस दो चीज़ में, थोड़ा कुछ नहीं।
मैं हर साल आती हूँ इधर खाने के लिए, कल ये खाने के लिए आती हूँ और आप लोग के पास ही। तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी वीडियो बना के सबको दिखाऊँ। कांदा भी डालने वाले हो? नहीं,
कांदे का पकौड़े हैं।
ये निकाल रहे हो?
अभी नहीं।
चटनी बाकी है ना?
हाँ,
में जाता। थैंक यू। So this comes with the ghati masala and tomato sauce. Per plate is priced at 70. On top you can see there's green chili fried too. So yeah, yummy. The quantity is quite huge. This is best enjoyed on a cold rainy day, not on a hot day like we did. So guys, let's try this. It's hot. Super excited. Taking the sauce and chutney. Crispy, crunchy, yummy. Chutney is too good, guys. Really. So guys, the corn bhajiyas was super. Per plate 70. और क्या चाहिए guys? अच्छी सी lunch हो गई सस्ते में with such a beautiful view too. Amazing atmosphere. और क्या चाहिए? So it's best to come here during monsoons from June to July. Right now it is so hot. There is no rain out here, no waterfalls, and having corn bhajiyas in this weather is unthinkable.